Here is how to unsubscribe from Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can unsubscribe from Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the Badoo app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now tap on the profile icon that you can see on the bottom right hand side. After that, tap on the settings icon on the top. Go to account preferences. Then after, tap on payment settings. Inside payment settings, you will find the plans that you have subscribed on Badoo. If you have subscribed for Badoo Premium, it will show Badoo Premium active on the top, and then you will also get the option to unsubscribe. In order to unsubscribe from any of the plans, simply tap on unsubscribe and then confirm it. By this way, you can easily unsubscribe from Badoo. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.